Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. What a cool spot we're at today for lunch. Let me tell you what. There's all kinds of stuff here as well that I didn't know about. So I'll do a tour video as well. But this is lunch. And there are hundreds of these places all along the lake here. This is a reservoir. You can eat here, which most people are doing. You can also swim here. There's a sign coming in, do not swim across the lake. I guess people have been trying it. Oh buddy, don't do that with your beer. It is a pretty interesting place. Don't know what the food's gonna be like. We just got here, lucky to get a place to sit actually. Everyone's full. When we came in there was one couple leaving, so we had to wait for them to get it clean, which didn't take long, but getting our food might take some time. There's a boat. Oh yeah. Some people in the water. I'll give you another shot of everything in a minute. Wow. Cool place, huh? Check out the view. Give you an idea. This is only one side, yeah? How many of these little bamboo grass huts are around here? It's a lot. The neighbors are getting their food. Everybody's worried about their shoes. Wash away everyone's shoes. Oh my God, my shoes are wet now.
Water come here area. Come the ball on the top.
Okay, here's what we got. Nam Tok Mu. One steamed fish with lemon or lime. Lime, yeah. And some vegetables stir-fried in oyster sauce. Rice, of course. Okay, let's try it. Nam Tok Mu is the same flavor as lop. Lop mu. Tastes basically the same. It's just got big chunks. Does it taste like the one we had yesterday? Lop mu from yesterday? No? No, not the same. I was wrong. Normally that's what it is. Lots of onion in this, raw onion. Herbs, lemongrass, toasted rice powder. Different. Very good. Served with some cabbage, cucumber. Vegetables got mushrooms in it, carrot, Chinese kale, cabbage, looks like Chinese cabbage. Did I say it with the fish? Good or not? No?
Not sour.
Oh, not sour. But is it fresh? Lots of carrot. Some of that went in my mouth. Let's try the fish. looks good, yeah? Kind of pasty looking because it's steamed. Yeah, different flavor than I'm used to. Still good though. Yeah, it's still good though. I think it's good. We've got some spicy dipping sauce for the fish. Yeah, maybe, huh? Fish sauce, chilies, lime juice. It's a little bit different too. Nice though, huh? All this costs 395 baht, including the water and the ice. What, $12 or something like that? With a view like this. In a place like this, so busy, amazing price.
Amazing.
You know, Chiang Mai is very expensive
I hear before
compared to a lot of Thailand.
I hear they say Chiang Mai really big, expensive, but
It is in the tourist areas, but you get away from the tourists. The only people here, this place is packed, and it's all Thai people. Young families, and beside us it's a table full of teenagers. Just all locals. This is Sunday. 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We were lucky to get one of these. These people got to sit on the ground, which is not that uncommon, but I'd rather be in here. No out for a sit, yeah. See inside here, nice and cool in here, yeah. Nice and cool, with an amazing view. Kids playing. Some big kids playing. Spicy. Nam tuk mu, really spicy. Need to eat some cabbage. Don't drink milk for spice, you know? You see that all the time, or I've seen that quite a lot. People drinking milk, doing the spicy challenge. Eat raw vegetables, works way better. Cabbage, cucumber, green beans, much better than milk. True story. Complain about the spice, but won't stop eating. It's really good. Check this out. There's a dog in that pink box. How cool is that, huh? The other day at the market somewhere, the lady had a cat in a backpack. A specially made cat carrying backpack. That was different. And she wasn't Thai either. That cat came on the airplane. Here comes the boat again. Everybody better hold on to their shoes. I don't know why they're doing this. It must be a part of the show or something. Yeah, it's like being at the ocean. Nobody's running for their shoes this time. Everyone already learned. Mom's laying down the law. That was really good, man. For that price, unbelievable. What do you think? Unbelievable. What a view. We have some tourists. The secret is out already. What a place. You should really check it out. She's got a kitten. She got a pink box. There's a dog over here in the pink box. Why would you bring a kitten to a place like this, you know? I wouldn't do it. Yeah, okay, yeah. Kitten. It's only like this long, little cute little thing, but alright guys, but that's it. I'm gonna make a tour of this place, do a tour video. I really don't know what's here, but there is some cool stuff I saw coming in. I'll do a blog post on that, and I'll put both videos in the blog post. If you're in Chiang Mai, this is just about half an hour north of the city, northwest of the city. Great place. This is Sunday afternoon and it's packed. Maybe come during the week.
They close at 5 o'clock, right? Okay, 11 o'clock.
11 till 5. Yeah, it's a lunchtime place, you know. You see online the time when people come, and it's between 12 and 3 is the peak, and very few people any other time of the day. They get a big rush and then that's it. But a great place to come for lunch. Food's awesome. The menu is, at least in this restaurant, a little more limited than I expected. But we got a good food. We got a good meal and lots of food, and it was all good and cheap. Like the fish alone would cost that much in most tourist areas, you know. We got 3 plates, so plus water and ice. Got enough ice for a couple of weeks. It's a big basket, look. That's my ice bucket. A lot. Come with a bottle opener, you see that? Old-fashioned bottle opener for people that don't know how to open beer without one. Alright guys, people are waiting for this place, so we'll give up our seat, and link to the blog post is in the video description. Go check it out. There'll be 2 videos there. One is a tour of this place. There'll be a map as well. That boat is coming again. It's just doing the circle around the lake again and again, you know, making waves for the people swimming, I guess, making it look like an ocean. Which is kind of cool. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. There's another dog coming.